Hi guys, hello and namaste everyone. So guys, behalf of today's day, let's see guidances from Durga Mata and Shiv Shakti. Let's start from Mata Durga. Let's see what message. Okay, so there are two cards and I'm taking both the cards. So the very first card is from Saraswati Devi and blessings of knowledge. So if you are a student, if you are studying, or if you wish to go for some further higher studies also, Mata Saraswati is blessing you with a lot of knowledge. Also, this knowledge can be with respect to something spirituality, or if you wish to know more about it, so that you gain that more and more deeper knowledge. For that, Mata Saraswati is blessing you. Now, knowledge can be about anything, not only bookish knowledge. It can be about life. It can be about anything. So, for that purpose, she is blessing you. Let's see another message. The second message is from Kushmanda Mata and blessings of creative energy. Wow. Guys, you know one thing, now when I was shooting this reel, just few seconds before something happened and I had to stop it, and the same card had appeared. And again after shuffling, the same card had came. So obviously I feel that this is a big message for someone, so do claim it. This is what I would say. First of all, also claim this message from Mata Saraswati and now from Mata Kushmanda. And I'm getting a message over here that if you were working on your sacral chakra, or your sacral chakra was inactive or whatsoever, now it will start being becoming active slowly and gradually. This is what I feel. Or you will feel to work on your chakras overall, because our sacral chakra is a lot related with creativity and passion. And also Mata Kushmanda is blessing for the same, so that you become more and more creative, you get unique ideas. Please claim this message. Now let's see guidance from Shiv Shakti. Okay, the message is from Nataraj. Blessings of creative thinking. Wow. For one, Mata is blessing us for creative energy, and here Nataraj is blessing for creative thinking. Another beautiful message related to being creative. So I guess it really, someone is in need of this message. So if you were praying to these lords for being creative or so, then it's a answer for you. Yes, that they will bless you, or they have heard your message and via me they are trying to answer you. So yes, do claim it. And from your side also, you must start thinking something unique, something creative, something different out of the box, which makes you stand something that yes, this person is creative also. Also depends upon you. Thank you.